water, earth, fire, air. Long ago, the four nations lived together in harmony. Then, everything changed when the Fire Nation attacked. Only the Avatar, master of all four elements, could stop them. But when the world needed him most, he vanished. 100 years passed and my brother and I discovered the new Avatar, an airbender named Aang. And although his airbending skills are great, he has a lot to learn before he's ready to save anyone. But I believe Aang can save the world.
There's no clear definition of what the juice is. Because the juice is whatever you make it. It can be anything. Nobody can define what it is for you. You know what the juice is, right? For me, like sometimes I feel like the juice is... Whenever I win, I pop off, right? Like I go, ah, monkey brain, poo, mauled, poo. That's my juice, right? But maybe your juice is when you do a nice piece of art, right? Like Picasso, and you go like, hey, look at my art. Hell yeah, that's your juice, right? Maybe you like when people like notice you, like fame. So that's what you want, right? You show up, people say, hey, that's this guy. That's your juice. Maybe you like money and buying shit. Like, ooh, you know? Then I bought this, and that's the juice, right?
Pathetic. Was your fate accepted?
Fucking, I'm done.
You need something from the store?
No, I'm done. I'm done with this shit. Fuck this game. I'm done. I'm fucking done. I'm taking tomorrow off as well. Friday off. I'm pacing.
This is my favorite part of her stream. I can't believe I caught it on... Well, she's not gonna chew again. Ready? This is my favorite part of her stream. I can't believe I caught it on... While I'm streaming. This is my favorite part of her stream when she doesn't chew her pasta. This is easily my favorite part of Amouranth's stream. Watch this, guys. Oh my god.
Oh my god. This fucking...
Like, I should always go for if my starting unit I have 3 of, I should always just upgrade it to level 2, right? Or no? Like, no matter how god awful I think it might be, or is that not right?
That sounds right. Alicia. Okay. I was worried.
I was just, they were all awful. I was just figuring it out. What do I do with the items? Like items?
Oh my! Oh my god! I sold my.
Okay, no, it's okay, cutie, because it sells for full price. It sells for full price. You can buy like right now. Yeah.
Good job, man. This fucking game sucks, man. This game sucks. I'm done. I'm done with the challenge. I can't play this shit fuck game over. I can't. This game over and over. I can't play it. I'm done. We're done with the challenge. We're never gonna have battlegrounds on this game again. Where's my mouse? I don't know where my mouse went. I have no idea. Where did it go? I'm done. I'm done. This game, it's the epitome of absolute poor execution. It's the same bullshit ping. Just the movement, it's God, it makes me so mad. It makes me so mad. It does. How pathetic this game is. I'm done. I'm done. I'm uninstalling it. This game is a shit game. Get it off my computer. Never wanted it, never will. It's not a part of the challenge anymore. Ladies and gentlemen, we've eliminated Battlegrounds from the challenge.
Stream, bro, honestly.
I got a phone call? John Circa? Oh. Hey, yo, John, I was just kidding, man. Oh, you're gonna beat my ass? Yo, John, I'm seriously, dude, I was kidding. Yes, sir. Yeah, I won't talk about you anymore, man. Yes, sir. Okay, I'm sorry. You want to host? Yeah, I'll host you right now, man. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, goodbye. He's pissed.
Sorry about that, Sean. Yeah, I know. Yeah, he's just my roommate.
Oh, fuck. I'm not a beta, dude.
Shrouds, I've watched this.
Make it to live server. Okay to even put
He
it
says he loves me, but when you go to Shroud's channel, when you get to Shroud's channel like this, and you look at it, and I try to type a message just here, like I click here. Oh.
Come here, boy.
Well, explain, mate. Explain. Why the fuck am I banned? Fucking explain, mate. Clearly, I've done something wrong, mate.
Fuck it, you're so fucking boring now. It's unbelievable.
Omega lol.
Go on, mate.
Omega lol.
Stuff. So I'm gonna be taking a lot of laxatives and shitting my brains out on Sunday night. I'm super excited. Now I did ask if they had an HDMI cable on the camera, but the camera is proprietary and they do not have an HDMI cable out on the camera or the system that records it. So unfortunately, the only thing you'll be able to see is the pictures after, but I will not be able to live stream the colonoscopy. I'm very sorry about that. Okay, sorry about that. All right, that's done. Next update.
He has no arms. This no arm having bitch has no arms. Have you even seen that? No arms. Can he even bite me? How's he gonna bite me? Non-threat. Right? Can this no arm having ass bitch? Ah! He bit me! Oh! He killed me! Oh my god! He had no arms.
What the hell is he shooting me at? A P90?
Walking.
Winnable.
Take your banana. He did not actually go left side, right?
Pre-fired.
He did not actually grab it.
He pre-fired and I did not run a single time. Mods ban him.
Why though?
Who do we have here, dude? Who do we have here? We got Night Blue. We had Jukes. We got I'm a cutie pie. Oh shit! It's a fucking beautiful lady, huh? I'm a cutie pie. What the fuck, dude?
With all the steam.
Like, some kid like went to this library to study and he walked out and he froze to death and he just died.
What? Is he okay?
Oh no.
No, he froze to death. He's dead.
Okay. Sorry.
Crabs? Why crabs?
Never mind the particulars, mate. The white crabs, savvy?
Aye aye.
The good kind.
Today is actually so weird. Today I started my stream out, and it was really weird. Fucking spam guys doing porn.
Did you fab today?
No.
Maybe that's why.
Yeah, maybe
No,
that's why.
I'm saving it all up.
Why are you gonna say that?
What? I'm saving the juice. What do you want me to say? Well,
You understand? God damn it. I had to get that kill for Kaisers. I had to. It was a good play. Don't at me.
Oh no! I can hit people! Right in front of you! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Don't worry, I'm good. Oh shit, I didn't even... Oh my god! 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 How am I doing this? Hiya! Literally the constant... Easy!
I think your Q just confused him so much
Shut
they
up,
just gave up and died.
Oh my god, that was funny.
Boys,